Hey there, welcome to Best Greek Places. Today we're diving into the delicious world of Greek cuisine with a recipe that's not only a favorite in Greece but loved worldwide, spanakopita. This flaky, savory spinach pie is perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. For the filling, you'll need 1 pound of fresh spinach, washed and chopped, 1 cup of crumbled feta cheese, 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 2 large beaten eggs, 1/2 cup chopped green onions, 1/4 cup chopped fresh dill, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint, optional, 1/4 cup olive oil, and some salt and pepper to taste. For the pastry, you'll need 1 package of thawed phyllo dough, about 16, 18 sheets, 1/2 cup melted butter, and 1/2 cup olive oil. Now let's jump into preparing the filling. Step 1. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped spinach and cook until wilted. Remove from heat and let it cool. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked spinach, crumbled feta, ricotta cheese, beaten eggs, green onions, dill, parsley, and that optional mint. Add olive oil, then season with salt and pepper. Mix everything well until fully combined. Next up, let's deal with the phyllo dough. Step 3. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Step 4. Lightly grease a 9x 13-inch baking dish with olive oil. Step 5. Unroll the phyllo dough and cover it with a damp towel to prevent it from drying out. Step 6. Place 1 sheet of phyllo dough in the baking dish and brush it with the melted butter and olive oil mixture. Repeat this process, layering and brushing each sheet until you have about 8 layers. Time to assemble the spanakopita. Step 7. Spread the spinach and cheese mixture evenly over the phyllo layers. Step 8. Continue layering the remaining phyllo sheets on top of the filling, brushing each with the butter and olive oil mixture. Use another 8-10 sheets. Step 9. Once all layers are complete, brush the top layer generously with the remaining butter and olive oil mixture. Step 10. Use a sharp knife to score the top layers of the phyllo into squares or diamond shapes. This makes it easier to cut later. Now let's bake it. Step 11. Bake in the preheated oven for 45-50 minutes or until the phyllo is golden brown and crispy. Step 12. Remove from the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes before cutting and serving. And there you have it, a delicious, flaky, and savory spanakopita that's sure to impress your family and friends. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Best Greek Places for more amazing Greek recipes and travel tips. See you next time, and Kali Orexi.